in wake of the hit and run accident, the Pune Municipal Corporation has also initiated action against the illegal construction of the pubs and bars in Koregaon area. The Pune Municipal Corporation has demolished 2 illegal pubs in the process. Those are visuals on your screens of the demolition drive that is taking place right now after that unfortunate incident that has taken place. Prathamesh, now the Pune Municipal Corporation has acted upon in a rapid fashion. Are there questions being raised by the courts over these illegal establishments, the pubs and bars that have been set up in Koregaon area?
Yeah, of course the question are being raised because how the boy has been he drink and he drive over the vehicle and he killed and in the accident the 2 people has been killed in that accident. Now the Pune Municipal Corporation is into the action and the investigation is going on as all the illegal pubs over there are been taking action and the demolition works is been on over there, and Pune Municipal Corporation is in the full action mode now. We can see over the visuals that Pune Municipal Corporation is in a action mode, and also the demolition work of the illegal pubs as well as restaurant is been started, and the direction and the advisory has been issued that that below 18 years no one should give alcohol to the person if they are underage. After 18 years, if only they are by checking their identity proofs, the alcohol should be given. The action is been taken by Pune Municipal Corporation, and now the demolition works is been still going on. All the machineries is been deployed over there. All the illegal works, Pune Municipal Corporation is taking the action and. After that, now the action is been taken, and as after this case, Pune Municipal Corporation came into the action as they need to come before this incident. But now the Pune Municipal Corporation is into the action, and the demolition work has been started.
Okay, all right. Thank you, Prathamesh, for giving us those details.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.